Example sentences with the verb drink in different tenses. Present simple. She drinks coffee every morning.
Present continuous. They are drinking water right now.
Present perfect. He has drunk all the juice.
Present perfect continuous. She has been drinking herbal tea for relaxation throughout the evening.
Throughout means during the entire time. Past simple. I drank a glass of milk yesterday.
Past continuous. She was drinking soda when I saw her.
Past perfect. They had already drunk their beverages before the movie began.
Past perfect continuous. He had been drinking water throughout the day before he finally quenched his thirst.
Quenched means fully satisfied one's thirst. Future simple. We will drink freshly squeezed orange juice for breakfast tomorrow. Squeezed means extracted by applying pressure.
Future continuous. They will be drinking refreshing lemonade at the picnic when we join them.
Future perfect. She will have drunk all the water by the time we get home.
Future perfect continuous. By the time the marathon ends, the runners will have been drinking energy drinks throughout the race.